Procurement is a critical business process, helping organizations to source and purchase new goods and services, starting with requests, gaining necessary approvals, and ultimately, placing the purchase with the vendor. But it comes with its challenges such as delays due to a lack of visibility, disconnected departments working in silos, which leads to miscommunication, bottlenecks at the approval process, and errors caused by information that gets lost in emails and paper documents. Bizagi rectifies these issues and enhances this key business function, bolstering efficiency and transparency end-to-end. Let's take a look at the user experience in Bizagi. Firstly, we will see how Michael creates a new procurement request. Then his manager Camila will approve it. And finally, Martha from the procurement team will review the request to check it is in line with company policies and source the items from an approved vendor. First up is Michael, the requester. Michael is using a custom procurement app, tailored to give him all the information he needs to do his job seamlessly. He manages a list of procurement requests, each showing their respective statuses. And to give him further clarity, the information is displayed in various charts and dashboards. Each request presents a series of potential actions. These actions are filtered according to the status of the request. But the benefits don't stop there. Michael can cross-reference procurement data with other business information in the system. He can access a list of all approved vendors where he can start actions related to these vendors. So Michael has access to everything he needs to get his job done efficiently. Let's create a new procurement request for Michael. He's going to use a customized form filled with all the necessary details for this specific request. First, we choose the request type. Let's assume we're buying office desks. We can add the specific items, let's say 50 office desks priced at $250 each. But we also need chairs, 150, costing $150 each. Don't worry about adding up the numbers, our platform handles all the validations and calculations automatically. Michael can now finish his task and his manager Camila will be notified that the request is ready for her approval. We can keep track of the status of the task in the app, and this information isn't just displayed as data. We can also see it graphically in the workflow. Next, we'll sign in as Camila. She has a different view of data to Michael, tailored to her needs, but it still comes from the same source. You can see Camila has just received a new request from Michael in her inbox. Her streamlined dashboard just shows the data she needs to complete her daily tasks. She can design more detailed, custom dashboards loaded with data if necessary to help her make more accurate decisions during the process. Now let's head back to the inbox and open Michael's new request. The request for furniture has come through with all the key details clearly laid out. Camila can review the request and decide the next step. It all looks good, so she approves the request, and it goes to the next stage. Finally, we reached procurement approval. Let's log in as Procurement Manager, Martha, who experiences a different user interface. She has two lists on her dashboard, one of historical requests and one of requests pending approvals, where she will see Michael's new request ready for her. Martha accesses the pending approval case and scrutinizes all the submitted information. Additionally, Bizagi fetched inventory information via a native integration to SAP. This pertinent data confirms that their organization does not have enough inventory, so she is happy to approve Michael's request. She can source the furniture from a pre-approved vendor, whose information is available via an integration to a back-end system where all their vendor data is stored. Once all the necessary details are entered, Martha can complete her task. Martha can get extra insights into her data by using Ada, Bizagi's AI assistant. For example, she can ask Ada to sort and display requests by vendor, and then dig down into requests from a specific vendor. She can also request to see goods delivered to that vendor in a specific time frame. She even has the handy option to return goods from orders. Ada will direct her straight to the return section of the app. Thanks to Ada, Martha can make informed decisions on her data and boost her productivity. Bizagi's platform revolutionizes procurement, creating a unified process for the business. Our platform creates a unified process and bridges any gaps, so all systems are seamlessly integrated, keeping every department on the same page. Approvals can be made quickly and efficiently with all procurement data stored securely in our centralized hub. With Bizagi, mastering procurement becomes effortless. Try Bizagi for yourself today and experience the power of modern apps, powered by Process.